Welcome to the online class, children. Today we will learn English 2 in English Literature, lesson 19, and the name of the chapter is The Little Mouse. Okay, this is a nice story. Okay, today we will start this chapter. Hope you have completed your chapter. Lesson 18 you have completed already. Exercise part also, question answers, everything you have completed. Okay. So today we will start this lesson 19. On the bank of the river Ganga lived a great sage. Okay, sage like a saint. Okay, lived a great sage. One day when the sage was meditating, a little mouse fell into his lap. A kite had dropped it from above. At first the sage felt irritated because he was meditating. Okay, so he felt irritated. But soon he felt pity on the helpless little mouse, because the little mouse was helpless and it was fell down in the laps of that sage. The sage turned it into a lovely girl child. Okay, the sage turned that little mouse into a lovely girl child. He called his wife. You always wanted a daughter. Take her as your daughter. The wife was overjoyed. She was very happy to see that small girl. Okay, that lovely child. She took the little girl into the house and she took the little girl into her house. The sage's wife looked after the girl with great care and love. She was taking a lot of care and love for that child. The girl grew to be a pretty young woman. Now as time passes, she became a pretty young woman. The sage and his wife started searching for a suitable match for the young woman. Now they were worried, the sage and his wife worried that for her marriage. So they started searching a suitable match for their daughter. The sage decided that the most powerful man in the world would marry her. Sage wanted that a most powerful man should marry to his daughter. The search for the mightiest led him to the sun god. Then he was searching for the strongest, mightiest person. Then he led him to sun god. My daughter wants to marry the most powerful man, said the sage. Now the sage present his word and he told that my daughter wants to marry a most powerful man. Okay, said the sage. Now sage was telling his opinion to the sun. Okay, the sun god spoke. I am not the mightiest. I am not the strongest one. The cloud is able to cover me, because when the cloud is there, I disappear. Okay, no one can see when the cloud comes over me. The cloud is stronger than me. So who is stronger? Not me, the cloud. Soon the cloud was summoned and the sage repeated his request. Now the summon means call. Okay, soon the cloud was called and the sage repeated his request. As he requested to sun god, the same request he put in front of the that is cloud. Okay, the cloud said, I am not the mightiest. The wind can carry me along. Now cloud said, I am not the strongest. I am not the mightiest. The wind, heavy wind can carry me. Okay. Next was the turn of wind. Now next was the turn of wind. To the sage's request, he said, pardon me, your holiness, I am not the mightiest. Now he also told, the wind also told that, pardon me, I am not a mightiest. Okay. I am easily stopped by the mountain and I can easily stop by the mountain. Okay. The sage approached the mountain only to hear the reply. To hear the reply, he approached the mountain. Now he come to know that okay, the mountain is the strongest one. Let's go to the mountain. I am not the mightiest. I am made weak by the holes made by the mouse and made by the mouse on my base. Now mountain replied, I am also not the strongest one. I am also not the mightiest. Because the mouse can make me weak, okay, by making the holes on my base. Who told this? Mountain told. Now, then came the mouse to the ashram. Then came the mouse to the, I made a ashram. He liked the sage's daughter. Okay, he was ready to marry her, but on one condition. Okay, then came the mouse to the ashram. Mouse came to the ashram because he liked the sage daughter. Okay, he was ready to marry her, but on one condition. But the mouse was ready to marry, but there was one condition. What is that? I will marry only a she mouse. The sage stood up. The sage stood up. Okay. He made a circle in the air with his finger. He made a circle in the air with his finger. Okay. The next moment, the young woman disappeared. And the next moment, the young woman, the pretty woman disappeared in her place. Okay. There was a sea mouse and there was a she mouse. She turned into the she mouse. Both of them went into the jungle and lived happily. He mouse and she mouse, they got married and both of them went into the jungle and disappeared. So this is a story. Now their story is over. This chapter is over. Okay. The little mouse chapter is over. Hope you have understood this chapter. Okay. It is quite simple chapter, easy chapter. Okay. Now some few words are there for the word meaning, word power, in the form of word power. So we will discuss now. Meditate. Meditate means to worship. Okay, worship. Irritate, make annoyed or angry. Irritate means make annoyed or angry. Mighty, powerful. Mighty, it means powerful. Approach, come near. Okay, and summon means call. Summon means call. Okay. So, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. So, try to write the word meaning when you start the chapter. Okay. So, try to find out difficult words also from the in between the chapter, and you have to write this word meaning. And exercise part I will give you. Here in the exercise part, fill the blanks are given question answers, and who said to whom, choose the right bubbles to fill the blanks. These questions. Fifth question, given below are some words, write them in the box belong to. So here some questions are there and you have to write in your copy. But exercise part, question answers you have to write in your copy, and exercise part you have to do in your book. Okay. So try to complete your copy as fast, and when you will complete your syllabus, you have to submit your copy for the correction. Okay. Thank you.